Hello, this is Rafael, and today I'm going to show you a new and simple way of creating decentralized applications. Since its beginning, the blockchain space has been mostly composed of developers and tech people. The roadblocks to understanding how the technology works, what smart contracts are, and how to actually create an application are high, especially for a non-technical person. However, over the last 2 years, since Hackachain's foundation, we have received dozens of requests from non-technical entrepreneurs to help them build their projects on the blockchain, an environment full of opportunities. And as a dev shop, we were able to help a lot of these builders, but we noticed a few problems that those non-technical entrepreneurs were facing, such as a high cost of development, smart contract developers are expensive and a scarce resource, a high cost of maintenance. So besides the cost of actually developing the product, you need a dev team to maintain the protocol, fix bugs, and improve the product. A slow product prototyping. The process of creating an application from zero takes several months, especially if you are researching and onboarding a team that can build that for you, and a slow product iteration. So once you have your app running, it is difficult to make small changes and iterate on top of them. But what if these non-technical builders had the chance to create the application from scratch with no code instead of hiring a full technology team? That's the goal for ClickDapp, the project we are working on. ClickDapp is a no-code tool for Web3 builders powered by Near's blockchain operating system. We started the proof of concept at the Lisbon Hackathon, when we had the chance to connect Plasmic, a modular no-code tooling, to BOS components, making it possible to handle them with no code. On the occasion, we've received feedback from Near Dev Hub asking for more composability between BOS components, such as more customization features. So during Nearcon, we have worked to create a feature that shares states between components, and it's called a VM context, a BOS standard that allows a secure front-end communication between different components. And besides that, we have also created new BOS components that are customizable inside Plasmic Studio. They work by receiving CSS and HTML properties from Plasmic and allow you to fully customize the design of your components. In the end, we were able to build a beautiful and completely functional application inside Plasmic Studio, and that's the result. Here, we have a frontend that handles multiple BOS components for Liquid, a borrowing app on Ethereum, and they interact with each other using the VM context. It was stylized using Plasmic CSS and HTML props, and it's functional and live to be used. In summary, ClickDapp can be used in numerous ways. You can render and customize BOS components, share states between components, create and publish a frontend with BOS components, and in the near future, we are going to integrate the backend for other no-code tools such as Meatbase and Orderly to make it possible to create the complete business logic for the apps along with their frontends inside ClickDapp. And we are also considering to build DevOps automations for the apps, such as deploying straightly to IPFS. The key benefits for ClickDapp are reducing development and maintenance costs, facilitating product prototyping and iteration, reducing the entry barrier for Web2 builders, and thus expanding the Web3 builders' total addressable market. For the next steps, we are going to start a program with 10 non-technical founders to develop a no-code application with ClickDapp. And with their inputs, we are going to create a ClickDapp library for the most used and necessary BOS components. After that, we have the intention of connecting Meatbase as our first no-code backend integration. ClickDapp is a product by Hackachain, and we are really happy to be here for the second year in a row to participate at Nearcon Hackathon. Most blockchains say they are onboarding the next billion users, and ClickDapp will make it possible for the next generation of builders to do that. Thank you.